3 months ago, we posted the very first aviation insurance rates update video that was backed by actual customer data aggregated from thousands of our customers. Using this data, we were able to put together highly accurate models that showed specifically how much aircraft insurance rates increased year over year for that quarter. And we were even able to break down specific aircraft types like tailwheel, retractable gear, Alaska, and seaplane rate increases. We used the same data model but pulled information from April through June of 2023, and we have some really interesting findings to report. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of BWI Fly Live. My name is Matt White, and I own BWI, and we insure over 7,000 aircraft all across the USA. In today's video, we give a data-driven update on aviation insurance rates from April through June of 2023, so let's get to it. Back in March, we reported that across the entire spectrum of aircraft and all the aviation insurance companies, aircraft owners were seeing an average 24% increase on their insurance policies from last year's premium. In the last 3 months, from April to June of 2023, we are now seeing a 22% increase year over year, which is a tiny 2% decrease from 3 months ago, which is good news, and it shows a slight, ever so slight softening of the aviation insurance market. What this means for you is that in general, your aircraft insurance rate will increase 22% from last year's rate, regardless of how many hours you've flown and what aircraft you have. So let's break this down into different aircraft types. Seaplane insurance rates back in March increased 72% year over year. As of today, they have decreased to 50.3% year over year increase. That is also good news, and we are seeing some good softening of the market here. Tailwheel insurance rates in March were up 54% year over year. They are now down to 27.5%, and that is almost a 50% reduction in rate increases. Retractable gear aircraft in March were up 23% year over year, and they have increased slightly in the last 3 months to 27%. Alaska insurance rates were up 58% year over year back in March. That has decreased slightly to 45% in the last 3 months. Fixed tricycle gear aircraft were up 13% year over year back in March, and they have actually increased up 27% in the last 3 months. And I have a few new data points to share with you today. The average Cirrus aircraft insurance premium is $8,489 a year, and they are only up 4% over last year. The average Cessna aircraft insurance premium is $3,046 a year. This is every aircraft from the 172 all the way up to the Citation, and Cessna insurance rates have increased 34% year over year. And finally, the Vans RV aircraft. The average premium for a Vans RV aircraft insurance policy is $1,447 a year, and rates are up 15% year over year. As you can see, there's a ton of different variety for different aircraft in increasing and decreasing rates. But in general, the data is starting to show the very first signs of the aviation insurance market softening. And I predict that we will continue to see this play out over the rest of this year and over the next few years. Overall, good news is finally coming to aviation insurance rates. I want to thank you all for staying until the end of this video. Keep in mind that there are tons of different factors that affect aviation insurance rates. If you like this video, make sure and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for trusting BWI, and fly safe.